Starting a retail business in Dubai can be straightforward. Once you understand the licensing process, the approvals, and the legal requirements. Setting up a retail venture here opens the door to one of the world's most vibrant retail markets. Dubai is a true retail powerhouse. Every year, millions of shoppers visit its luxury malls, more e-commerce stores launch, and global retail brands expand into the city. The UAE's retail industry is forecast to grow at more than 5% through 2028. Whether you're planning a boutique fashion store, a tech shop, or a food and beverage outlet, Dubai offers unmatched opportunities. This video will walk you through the process of setting up your retail business in Dubai, from choosing the right license to approvals, compliance, and operations. And with expert support from Trade License Zone, you'll save time, money, and stress. Dubai attracts entrepreneurs from all over the world. Its diverse population, booming tourism sector, and global trade connectivity drive constant demand for retail. More than 18 million visitors come to Dubai each year, many specifically for shopping, whether in malls, traditional souks, or duty-free zones at airports. The retail industry here is stable, well-regulated, and constantly innovating. From smart shopping technology and omni-channel strategies to digital payment gateways, Dubai's retail sector is always evolving to engage customers and increase sales. Types of retail businesses you can start. Dubai allows entrepreneurs to start almost any kind of retail business. You could open a boutique fashion store, set up an online e-commerce shop, launch a franchise outlet, operate a mall kiosk, or enter the duty-free market. Sector-specific businesses such as electronics, cosmetics, home decor, jewelry, and food and beverage are especially popular and profitable. Key considerations before you begin. Before you start, there are several important things to think about. First, your location. Whether that's a luxury shopping mall, a busy high street, or a kiosk in a community mall. Second, consumer behavior. With Dubai's multicultural population, knowing your target audience is critical. Third, the competitive landscape and your brand identity. Strong branding and customer experience are essential to standing out. And finally, the legal and cultural requirements, making sure your business complies with Dubai's regulations and respects local norms. Retail license requirements. To legally operate a retail business in Dubai, you need a trade license. These are issued either by the Department of Economy and Tourism for mainland businesses or by free zone authorities for companies inside free zones. A mainland license gives you access to the wider UAE market and allows you to trade directly with consumers and government entities. On the other hand, a free zone license offers 100% foreign ownership, tax benefits, and a faster setup, but is usually limited to activity within the free zone unless you work with a local distributor. Choosing the right license structure is one of the most important decisions you'll make, and this is where Trade License Zone can guide you. Step-by-step process to set up a retail business. Step 1. Partner with Trade License Zone. Our specialists will guide you through the entire process, from paperwork to approvals, so you can focus on building your business. Step 2. Decide on your retail activity and your business structure. Whether it's fashion, electronics, or e-commerce, you need to define your activity clearly. You'll also choose a legal structure, such as a limited liability company or a free zone entity. Step 3. Reserve your trade name. Every retail business in Dubai must have a unique name that follows official naming rules. Step 4. Apply for initial approval. This is essentially a no-objection certificate from the authorities confirming that your chosen business activity is permitted. Step 5. Secure your retail space. This could be a shop in a mall, a kiosk, or an office for an e-commerce setup. Your tenancy contract must be registered with the authorities. Step 6. Submit your documents and obtain your retail trade license. This includes your application forms, approvals, and tenancy contract. Once approved and paid, your license will be issued. Step 7. Register for VAT if your turnover exceeds the required threshold. This ensures compliance with the federal tax authority and keeps your business operations fully legal. Legal and operational requirements. Beyond your license, there are important operational requirements. Retailers must comply with Dubai municipality regulations, health and safety standards, signage permits, and UAE labor laws for staff. Larger businesses must also meet Emiratization policies, which require employing Emirati nationals. If you are opening a food and beverage retail business, you'll need additional approvals, including packaging and labeling standards, hygiene inspections, and sometimes product-specific permits. Why work with Trade License Zone? Launching a retail business in Dubai is exciting, but the setup can be complex. Trade License Zone is here to simplify it. We'll help you choose the right license, secure your location, and handle all the compliance requirements so you can focus on building your brand and growing your customer base. And our support doesn't stop once you've launched. From license renewals to scaling your operations, we remain your partner for long-term success. Ready to take the first step? Contact Trade License Zone today and enter one of the world's most dynamic retail markets.